Hi, welcome back to Things That Fold. As promised, today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Closca Loop, which is a folding helmet. We have it right here. As you can see, it's really pretty. We got it in gray and white, or as they call it, fossil. And I'm going to open it up. Now, for those of you who follow our site, I think your first question is going to be, so what's the difference between this helmet and the stack packable helmet that's made by Priority Bicycles, but in their partnership with Closca? So let's take a look. I have found only one small difference between the two. I'm showing you to see if you see it, but it's very subtle. The only difference that I have found is the logo, right? You see a little bit of branding on the one by Priority Bicycles. Here it says by Closca on the back. Other than that, you're looking at the same dimensions, the same folding mechanism. Inside, as my toddler would say, same. Um, so it's really going to, in the end, be a matter of aesthetics. The loop is available in more colors if that's important to you. They're both available to get online. One, though, comes from Spain. Other than that, you're looking at basically the same thing, which means you can go to our website and read more about our review of the Priority Stack Packable helmet to get a sense of the Closca Loop. All right, thanks for joining us.